In the last part. Data modeling. So how far varies in the data modeling? How far varies in the data modeling? So this is the video. These two not opening. 34 also. Why Google is taking this step? So what shall we do? What shall we do? Why? No, it will open. Microsoft, sorry, Google will release slowly. We need to mail. Not only our batch, even Azure and other courses which are running in our institute, they also have the same video issue. Even Azure batch also, videos are not playing. Yes, what is the solution? Because everyone is using Google only, Google Drive. Maybe not update actually. I believe they need to think about it. Initially, the storage usage of Google was very less, Google Drive. But right now, increased like anything. They're not able to manage. Hmm, 33 and 35.
Playing, sir.
Playing, huh?
35 was not playing, sir.
33 playing?
Yes, 33 was playing after some time.
He's saying 33 is playing. No idea. Could you please check? Playing? Not playing.
Sir, it is 54 minutes video, sir. It was playing in some systems.
Okay, sir. Okay, no time this will continue. If it's not playing by tomorrow morning, I will add once again.
Sir, 35 was not playing.
Pardon?
35 was not playing, sir.
Okay, okay. That is the important one actually.
Yes.
So as 35 is important, I will add in the YouTube level. I'll give you the YouTube link. 35. This is the one. Data model practical. What is the size of it? 74 MB. So I will go to YouTube, select file, zoom. Data model practical, video 1. One minute, guys. I will resolve the issue. 7 p.m. June. 7 p.m. June. And then okay, good. I already given YouTube link. You can watch it because it's important to practice. Let me go for it. 33 theory video. Read the document. We'll wait for Google release. File menu. 7 p.m. This was the one. So what exactly we completed last class? Guys, please speak up. We completed last class. First, ensure the relationships. If they are not good, we provide it. Next one. We worked on table properties, and now we need to work on column properties. Column properties. So table properties level, important one, name, description, synonym, feature table, key column, name column. These are all available in the table. Now column level, these are all available. Comma, some more important available. What is the format you want? First, display folder. In which folder you want to display? So within a table, it will create a folder. Within the folder, you can see the column. For example, the table having many columns. You want to classify them. These 5 columns for this operation. These 4 columns for this operation. Then create folders for them. Those are called display folders. Which folders? Display folders. So create display folder. Next, what is the format? What is the data type? And we have advanced options. So these are the options available for the column, and we'll see one by one. First, go to actual fee, name, description, synonym. Display folder is important. I will take a title called important measures. This is the title for the folder. You want to hide it? No, no, no. I don't want to hide it. What about formatting? Data type, whole number. Whole number means number, but I will take decimal one. Data type decimal. What about format? This is important. Actual fee decimal, and I want currency format. Which format? Currency. Actual fee currency. And this is percentage. In case the decimal number you want to show in the percentage format, show it. But it is not meaningful here. It is not meaningful. 1000 separator. Yes, I want 1000 separator. 2 decimal places I want. Currency format. I want Indian rupee. What you take it. Rupee symbol same. What are the language you take? No matter, rupee symbol same. So data type decimal, format currency, 1000 separator, yes. Decimal places to currency, ODI India rupee. Now advanced we will see in few minutes. For example, Chinese currency you want, just go here and take Chinese currency. Singapore dollar you want, just go here and take Singapore dollar. So whatever the currency you want to take, just go here and do it. That's why this is called as column properties. These are fixed. When you work with actual fee, always it will show you always it will show you the value in currency, this format with the 2 decimals and all. Next one, I will go to course ID. It's a textual column. Course ID, description, synonym, display folder. Textual attributes. Formatting text. Format text. Advanced option. Formatting data type text, format text. Advanced option. Sort by column, course ID. Or this one we'll see after some time, but only data type and format for the text. Display folder, textual attribute. Okay. For this column, only one. It's a textual column, only one change I did. Display folder. Data type anywhere text. You can keep like this. Next, date. Date one. Name, description, synonym, display folder. Role playing dates. Formatting date. Date and time format you mention here. Whatever the format you want to mention. And one more important interesting thing I want to tell you. These are date formats. If you mention here in the reporting level, the same formatted data it will show you. For example, your customer interested in this formatted data, dot 14301 in this way. Yes, you fix it. So in the visuals level, it will show you like this. Or your customer interested in this format, you take it. No need to convert every time. Modeling level, one time you do it, it's a fixed one. So till you modify it, it won't change. This is date. In case time you have, you can mention 12 p.m. time format, 12 hours time format, 24 hours time format, what type of format you want, you can mention if it is a time. Interview question, how do we change time format, 12-hour time format, 24-hour time format for a particular column? Go to modeling, column properties, format level, change it. Column properties, formation, change it. Ready. What next?
The data type changing time, it is Power Query level and the model is same, both are same, sir.
Pardon, sir?
Data type you also changing option is there in Power Query level. That is also same, sir.
Yes, same. Same, but this is modeling level.
While changing that in Power Query level, that is same applicable into the model level, sir.
Yeah, modeling level also.
Okay.
But a model level change is much more powerful than Power Query level.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And data types also slightly different from Power Query to modeling level.
Okay, sir.
Power Query level mashup language data types. And here the data types are DAX based data types. Which language? DAX language. So what is the topic I'm explaining now? Column properties. So properties indicate name, synonym, folder, format, how you want to take. That's it. Column settings, simply column settings. I will go to fields area. See, this is a fact table. Important measures, one folder created. Role playing date, one folder created. Textual attribute, one folder created. Now I will take student ID, user ID, institute ID, location ID, mode ID, course ID. These are all textual columns. So I will move to textual area. Move like this. Next, discount fee, ended date. These are all move to measures area. Inquiry date, join date, normal date. Move to role playing area. No problem, sir. Tax amount in important measures. So right now the fact table having 3 folders, each folder having some columns. Got it? So what is the advantage? When you go to visual level, if customers working, if customers browsing, or developers browsing, they feel very happy. Oh, measures here. We can drag and drop. Role playing dimension values here. Okay, textual values here. He will use it effectively. So this is the advantage of column properties. Got it? Next one. One thing is pending, guys. If you go to any column, in the modeling level, one thing is pending. What is that pending? Advanced options. What are the advanced options available? Sort by column, data category, summarize by. I want to mention tax amount. Advanced level, tax amount, average. So do you know what happens? Whenever you use tax amount, it will take average only. మీరు ఎప్పుడు tax amount use చేసిన average వస్తుంది. This is the advanced option. Next, take location table. This is a normal location, but you want to identify like a location. So the mapping location. You want to identify like mapping location possibly. So what is the advantage? If you identify like a mapping location, you can use in the mapping level. Where you can use mapping level. How? Just go to location name, advanced option, data category, mention here one of the location. So one of the mapping point. City also mapping point, address also mapping point, continent also mapping point, country also mapping point. It could be anything. But my locations are Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada. They are cities. I mentioned like city. Now immediately it will show like globe. This indicates the column is a mapping column. We can use in the mapping level easily. Got it? This is mapping. So summarize by average. This is mapping. And you want to allow null value. In this column, you want to allow null value? Yes, otherwise no. If you mention no, but there are null values available, it will fail it. What it will do? Fail it. It's like a constraint. It is like a constraint condition. You mentioned no. You mentioned no, but null values are coming. What will happen? Fail it. Done, guys. So sort by data category city, summarize is nullable, yes. Next one, sort by column. What is this? Before I go for sort by column, I'll show you something important. Look at everyone. Guys, this is my table. I want to test actual fee. So actual fee come under important measure. In this folder I mentioned. So actual fee I'm dragging and dropping. How it is coming? Rupee and total sum only. I will take tax amount, drag and drop. How it is coming? Average. How do you say? Tax amount, click on this and it will show you here. What is the operation it is showing? Average, automatic average. If you're interested to change, you can change it, but it's average value. Whatever value? Average value. Now, I want these two based on, if you go to location, observe, location name coming up with mapping point, map symbol. That means it is suitable for mapping operations. Next, I go for columns. One important thing, notice, I'll take a month. Month name is not there. I don't have month name. How do we take month name to this table? I will go to this. I want month name to this. How do we take month name? Right click, new column. We have a function. What is the function? Month name equal to format function. Format of dim date of date, comma, month name. 4 M's. Click save. Month name. 4 M's indicate full month. 3 M's indicate month short. 2 M's indicate month number. Click save. Good. So my concept is this month name. How it is showing the data? Okay. Could you notice and tell me how it is showing the data when I take month name? Not random, alphabetical order. First blank, A, F, J, M, M, S. It's alphabetical order. So when I take month name, it shows like this. But usually we don't see months like this. Jan first, Feb next, March next, etc. Then how? How? And that is one situation. Okay, first we'll complete this and then we'll go for other situations. If you want to show this, even days also, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, I want to show. How is it possible? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day wise I want result. Then Both the situations, only one concept. Go to the pending option. No sorting. Go to month name column, dim date month name column, advanced option. This is a pending one. Here you need to mention month. What you need to mention? Month. Why? Month name. 1 January, 2 February, 3 March. I'm asking you show this, but based on this order. So the date table should have two columns. One is month column, second month name column. In that situation, it will show you the months based on the month number, so this is sorting, advanced sorting. You are showing one column, but internal sorting is another column. So month name you are showing, but sorting is month. Now go to this, see that Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. This is the one. One more example. I asked people, please come to the dais based on the state rank order. So Mr. Srinivas, we will not call state rank number 1, 2, 3, etc. Srinivas, if I'm calling him, he's the first person. Next one, Ramesh, Rajesh. So I want to call the people based on the ranking. The ranks I don't want to show. In the situation, name is candidate name, but sorting is rank column, rank order. This is what most of the times happen. Okay. Should display on one column, sorting on another column. You want to do, then go for sort by option. Which option? Sort by option. So these are the 4 advanced options available in the Power BI data model level. So as part of data modeling, we should work on relationships, done. We should work on table properties, completed. Column settings, completed. And what are the most important options? Sort column is important. Summarize is important. Summarize means what is the aggregation you want to do. Display folder is important. Format is important. Data type important. These are the important options. Okay. We have a proper data set with model. Good. That is okay. Proper data set with model. Now, who will use this? Who will use this? Now, this is accessible by everyone. If you share to Rajesh, Rajesh can see all the tables data. If you share to Kishore, Kishore can see all the tables data. Even I want to add security also. What I want to do? Security adding. How do you add that? The next topic is security. Data security. Data security. Data security. First topic is row security. Either normal row level security RLS or dynamic RLS. Normal RLS. RLS indicate row level security or dynamic RLS. Second one possible by using data security using sensitivity labels. What's the topic? Sensitivity labels. This is the recently added topic, 2 ways. But our current topic is RLS, row level security. Yeah. Assigned users will see respect to roles rows. Assigned users will see respect to roles rows. Assigned users will see respect to roles rows. So what do you mean by this? First scenario. First scenario. Showing users their respective data. This comes under connected user data row security. Connected user data access. First scenario. Second scenario. Showing users their respective location data. Connected users assigned roles locations data. Third one. It could be anything else. Showing users their modes data. Which data? Modes. Connected users assigned roles mode data. Multiple. Row level security. Row level. This is one report, guys. It has all locations, all modes, all users information. This is Hyderabad team. They want to see Hyderabad data. And this is online team. They want to see online data. And he is Mr. Raz. He want to see his data. 3 different scenarios. One is team observation, second mode observation, third user observation, like this. Different people, different types of data they want to see on the same report level. Then we go for row level security, RLS. RLS. How do we implement it? Very simple. DAX function required for RLS. You want to implement RLS, DAX function required, username or user principal name. What exactly they'll show you? Very simple. Both display a domain name / username at Power BI desktop. B email address at Power BI service. But where is the difference? This is the important one. Note. Username used at Power BI desktop level. User principal name used at Power BI service level for security validation. This is RLS. So practically very simple. Practical A, create role and filter, dim user table, desktop name or email with username or user principal name. Second one, verify role. First one, create it, and second one, verify it. This is practical for user content data. And here important point, note, dim user table should have user entries. What it should have? User entries. For example, you want location data. Practical for connected location data. Then create role and filter, dim location with location name equal to values. Location name equal to values. Verify role. First, dim location table. Should contain valid locations. Location table should contain valid locations. For example, modes. You want to verify modes. So what to do? Security for connected modes data. In that situation, dim course mode table with mode equal to values. Verify role. Dim course mode table should contain valid course modes. This is simply row level security, connected user data. And there is one more available, last one. Dynamic RLS. Dynamic row level security. When a user or when an item connects, maybe here user is when an item connects, showing respect to item data plus subordinates data. Subordinates data is called as dynamic RLS. When an item connects, showing respect to item data plus subordinates data is called as dynamic RLS. I will write multiple examples. When manager 1 connects, showing manager 1 plus subordinates data. When you browse country data plus all low level hierarchy values data. This is a dynamic row level. DAX functions used. What are the functions used? So the username anyway required, username or user principal name. This is common, user principal name. One more path function we use, one more lookup function we use, one more level function we use. So these are the 4 functions we use to perform dynamic RLS. These are 4 functions we use. You want to see that? You can see that, but for this topic, there's a material available, that material you need to read. Refer to RLS dynamic RLS PDF. Let me close it. I will show you that. So this is your material. We have RLS and no RLS. Click on it. RLS. What is RLS? Yeah, how do we implement it? How do we implement? What is dynamic RLS? How do we implement? Very clearly given in this material. This is a PDF material. I cannot write this much content. Just I wrote synopsis. This is a material. You need to follow it. Close it. Right, sir. So in your PDF document, that material is available. You need to go through it. I will create now. If you want to create very simple, go to modeling menu. Please look at this. But before that, the user table you go. Click on data. Dim user table. Desktop level you want to validate always. Desktop name we need to ensure here. Cloud level you want to validate always. Email ID we need to ensure. This is for the desktop validation. This is for the cloud validation. Now desktop name.